In this video, I'm going to explain you method chain problem and the value and reference problem. So first of all, we will look at the method chain problem. So in this problem, we have given the array of different objects. Every single object contains the first name, last name, and the location. So what we have to find is the people who are living in Gurgaon. We have to return the full name of it. I'm using the map method in order to iterate over this array of object. I'm getting a single object here, and I'm checking whether the location is equal to Gurgaon. This is the case now, then I'm pushing the first name and the last name like this into this array, so we will get the result here. Now second problem is that whether what this will do inside this function. So this will definitely return it will throw an error, because what we are doing is we are first of all pushing the value 6 inside this array, and we are applying the filter on it, and we are expecting that it will give us all the values, all the even numbers. So this will never happen, because push default behavior is not like this. Push will push the value inside an array, and it will never return an array. So though it is not returning any value, it will return an undefined, and if you are applying the a filter on the undefined, then it will return and it will throw an error. So if we do something like this, we have defined an array here, and then we will push a value inside it here. And third thing we are doing here is we are applying a filter, then it will work fine. But if we do it in the same line, then it will throw an error. Now second, I'm gonna explain the value reference problem. So value and reference problem, we have given an object which contains some of the properties like name, mobile, address, pin code. So what we have to do without changing this, we have to create a new array with the different properties, changing few of the properties like name, mobile numbers, and address and email. So how we can do this? So basically this is an object which is a non-primitive data type, and a non-primitive data type is a reference, not a value. So if you try to change directly, so this value will also get affected. So what we can do, we can create a shallow copy of it, or we can create a shallow copy using a REST operator. I'm creating a new person, and I'm changing the value like this. Or you can do is you can create a new person object, and using the REST operator you are putting all the values here, and the value you want to change, you can change it by giving name and the value you want to change. So yeah, I'm doing here same inside the address also. I only want to change the pin code. Another value will be remaining the same. Inside the email also, I want to change the first email address. Another value will remain the same. Our next question is to explain the primitive and non-primitive data type in terms of assigning operator and equality operator. So we have the two types of data type, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive type of data type are the data type which holds the value and they are immutable. Non-primitive data types are the data types which holds the reference, not the value, and they are immutable. So primitive data types are number, strings, boolean, undefined, null, and symbol. Non-primitive data types are object, arrays, and function. So in terms of assignment operator, in case of primitive data type, um, let's say we have given let a is equal to 10, and we are saying let b. Now in when we say let a is equal to 10, then inside a memory we have a box will be created and whose value will be 10. Now we will say b is equal to a, so the value of a will copy inside the b, not the reference. So if we change b is equal to 20, then the value will be changed, not the reference, and a will still remain the 10 and b will become 20. Now in case of non-primitive data type like array, if you create an array like this, so inside a memory a reference is been created, and if you do b is equal to a, then you are copying the reference, not an value. So if you're trying to change the value inside the b, then a will also get affected, and as you can see this will return this. Okay, now next the equality operator. So we have a double equal to operator in order to check whether the two terms are equal or not. So in case of primitive, if you are doing this, then we are checking the value, and the value will always be same. The value here is same, as you can see c is equal to 10 and d is equal to 10, so it will return 2. And if we are checking the type also, then it will return 2. In case of non-primitive data type, we have declared the two data type whose values are same but the reference are different. That's why in these two cases we are returning false, but I'm doing m is equal to f. Now the value is same and the reference are also same, so this will return 2. Thank you.